Okay, so there's two logarithm bases that are the most common. So the first one we're going to look at is base 10. So base 10. So when I have log base 10 of, I'm just going to say x, we can write this just log x. So if there's no base that you see, it's assumed that it's base 10. Okay, so this we assume that it's base 10. So like if we were asked to just find, log base 10. Okay, so if we were to just say what is the log of 100? What's the logarithm of 100? This is the same as saying log base 10 of, instead of 100, let's write 10 squared. So that would be 2. Okay, so check that out on your calculator. If you should have a logarithm button, so it just should say log. Hit log 100, enter, it should say 2. How about log of 0.01? Well, that's the same as log of 0.01 would be 1/100th, or 1 over 10 squared. So this should be log 10 to the negative second power, which is -2. Okay, or how about log of 10,000? That's logarithm of 10 to the 4th power, so just be 4. Or in your calculator, log of 10,000 should be 4. Okay, how about if you punch in log 12? Okay, you should be getting something like 1.079 if we go 3 decimal places. Okay, or how about log of 50? Are we over? What should we be between? I mean, log of 10 would be 1, log of 100 is 2. So it's still going to be between 1 and 2, but 1.699 is what it would be. Okay, so just log assumes base 10. Now the next one that is very common, if you remember we talked about e with exponential, base e has a special logarithm. So if we had log base e of x, the way we actually write this is lnx, or natural log. Natural log is how we say it. Natural logarithm. ln is the natural logarithm. So the natural log of e, that's the same as saying log base e of e, well that's like e to the 1 power, would be 1. Okay, or in your calculator, if you hit natural log and then if you know how to do your e button, hit that, it'll say 1. How about natural log of 10? Okay, again, try this out in your calculator. Natural log of 10 is going to be 2.303, rounded 3 decimal places. Okay, and remember that e is just 2.718. It's kind of like pi is 3.14. E is 2.718. It's just a number. Okay, now any other logarithm that is not base 10 or base e, there's a way to do this in your calculator, and it's called change of base. Change of base. The change of base formula. So how to use this? If you have log base b of m, so this would be any other base, we would do log base 10 of m over log base 10 of b. So you just hit your log. So just log m divided by log b. Or there's 2 options. Or you could hit natural log of m over natural log of b. Okay, so let's try log base 6 of 15. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can do this. You can just hit log 15 and divide by log 6. So I mean, if you did this one at a time and kind of jotted down, on top you'd have 1.17609, probably keep a couple decimal places. Bottom you get 0.77815. Either way, should be getting 1.51. Okay, so that's doing the log base 10 way. How about natural log 15 divided by natural log 6? Okay, natural log of 15 would be 2.708. Natural log of 6 should be 1.7918. Divide those. Again, you should be getting 1.51. Okay. Do a little check of that. Well, what's 6? Do a little check. What is 6 to the 1.51 power? You should be getting about 15. Maybe, 14.9 something or 15.0 something. But pretty much right about 15. If I kept more decimal places, it would be more accurate.